Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at present perfect. How to talk about experiences and progress. What is present perfect? A way to talk about life experiences. A way to talk about actions in unfinished time periods. A way to explain progress. Present perfect. How to construct it. Let's look at the question form first. Has, have, subject, ever, past participle. When we use ever, we are asking about life experience. Has, have, subject, past participle. This can be used to ask about actions in unfinished time periods. Has, have, subject, past participle, yet. This can be used for checking progress. Examples: Has Bob ever ridden a horse? Have you ever gone camping? We're asking about life experience. Has Bob cleaned his room this week? Have you bought anything new this month? We're asking about actions during unfinished time periods. Has Bob finished writing the report yet? Have you called the customer yet? We are checking progress. For life experience, the word ever in these questions means from your birth until now. Have you ever eaten sushi? Have you ever been to New York? These questions are asking about your life experience. In your life, from birth until now, have you ever eaten sushi? Have you ever been to New York? You can respond with, yes, I have. No, I haven't. Your life is an example of an unfinished time period. In the future, you might do these actions, even if you haven't done them yet. Other examples of unfinished time periods. Some unfinished time periods might be today, this morning, this afternoon, this week, this month, this year, and so on. These words indicate time periods that have not finished. Have you eaten sushi this week? Have you been to New York this year? Have you eaten sushi today? Have you been to New York this month? Be careful. For example, at 2 p.m., morning is already finished. At 11 a.m., it is still morning. At 11 a.m., I could ask, have you eaten sushi this morning? But at 2 p.m., it's different. In that case, it is better to ask, did you eat sushi this morning? At 2 p.m. this morning is already finished. Checking progress. When checking progress, there is usually a time limit or a target. You can check if someone is finished or not. Have you done the laundry yet? Have you written the report yet? The word yet indicates that you're waiting for the action. Some action has been assigned or given to another person, and you want to check if the action is complete. You can respond with, yes, I have. Yes, I've already done that. Yes, I've already done the laundry. Yes, I've already written the report. Or, no, I haven't yet. No, I haven't done that yet. No, I haven't done the laundry yet. No, I haven't written the report yet. Be careful about past participles. Most past participles end in ed. Watch, watched, watched. This is regular. Have you ever watched this movie? Some verbs are irregular, and the past participles do not end in ed. Eat, ate, eaten. Have you eaten lunch yet? If you're unsure of the past participle, a safe mistake is to use ed and keep speaking. If you're not sure of the form of the word, ed is the most common type of past participle. Take a chance, use ed, and keep speaking. It is not correct, but it is a very natural mistake. It is better than panicking and not speaking. Have you ever swimmed in the sea? Swum is correct. Have you ever swum in the sea? Try to learn irregular forms, though. It is the best way. However, when you're speaking, if you're not sure of the past participle, use ed and keep speaking. If you like, please rewatch this video and practice making questions using present perfect. Think about your life experiences or your experiences in unfinished time periods. What have you already done? You can practice making personal sentences too. Thank you for watching.